Hey, Thread Squad family. If you're just getting started with sewing or machine embroidery, you don't need to buy everything in the sewing aisle. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 tools every beginner should own to make learning easier and more enjoyable. We'll cover machines, cutting tools, fabric shears, essential supplies, and the secret to professional pressing. Each one is a foundation for your creative journey. Number 1, a reliable sewing or embroidery machine. Your machine is the heart of your creative space. Choose one that fits your budget and your goals. If you're interested in embroidery, look for a machine that lets you grow your skills over time. Learn the features on your machine before buying lots of accessories. Number 2, quality fabric scissors and thread snips. Never use your fabric scissors on paper. Keep one pair dedicated to fabric and another small pair of thread snips nearby for trimming loose threads. Sharp scissors make cleaner cuts and help your projects look more professional. Number 3, rotary cutter, cutting mat, and quilting ruler. These 3 tools work together and are essential for accurate cutting. I recommend a 45 mm rotary cutter because it's the most versatile size for beginners. A self-healing cutting mat protects your table, and a quilting ruler helps you cut straight, accurate pieces every time. Number 4, quality thread, needles, and pins or sewing clips. Using quality supplies really does make a difference. Choose good quality thread, the correct needle for your fabric, and either straight pins or sewing clips to hold everything in place. Sewing clips are wonderful for vinyl, cork, leather, and thicker fabrics. Number 5, an iron and pressing surface. One of the biggest secrets to professional looking projects. Press as you sew. A good steam iron and pressing mat help flatten seams, improve accuracy, and make your finished project look polished. Remember, we're pressing, not ironing back and forth. Spring bonus tip. You don't have to buy everything at once. Start with quality basics and practice often. Build your sewing room one project at a time. Great tools help, but it's your creativity that brings every project to life. I'm Sean with Go Savvy Designs. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and join the Thread Squad family for more tutorials. Until next time, happy stitching. Recapping our top 5, reliable machine, quality scissors, cutting trio, quality supplies, and a good iron. These are your sewing room foundations. In our next lesson, we'll talk about how to choose the perfect first project to practice your new skills. See you there.